Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to do a builder gel tutorial on my own nails using Nail Resverve L.A.'s builder in a bottle. So Nail Resverve L.A. were kind enough to reach out to me and they asked me did I want to pick out 6 of their products. So I chose 4 of their gel polishes, 1 builder in a bottle and 1 top coat. So first of all I'm going to show you the swatches of all the colours and then we're going to get into the tutorial. So they are also vegan, cruelty free, and they are 9-free formula. So they do not test on animals. They're fully cruelty free, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to do 1 coat on camera and the second coat off camera. And I went with kind of a Christmas winter with my choice of colours, just because I wanted to utilise this time of year and I knew I'd get a lot of use out of the colours if I did choose those type of colours. I also threw in a little baby pink just because I think it's always good to try pastels from a brand because you get to know then what their glitters are like, what their darks are like and what their pastels are like. This is called Blue is the one and it is gorgeous. It's a real navy type of blue. Next up we have Ocean's Heart, which was my favourite out of the whole lot. So I ended up putting it on my own nails, but this is stunning. This is 1 coat coverage, literally 1 coat is all you need of this. So it's a blue holographic and it kind of reflects kind of little bits of green in it when it's out in the sunlight. I have outside pictures of it at the end, but it just reflects all these cute little holographic colours. It's so beautiful, especially as well for this time of year around Christmas. I would highly recommend this. It's gorgeous. Next up we have City of Love. So this is a red glitter and I picked this because Christmas coming up and Valentine's Day, I think it would be perfect for either of those holidays. This definitely needed 2 coats, by the way. From the first coat you can kind of see it is a little bit pink undertone, but a lot of red glitters they just are until you put on that second coat. So definitely this needed 2 coats, but after 2 coats it was absolutely perfect. Just giving you a little close up of it there after the one. And then next up we went for a little baby pink. So it's always good to try pastels with a brand, so that's why I wanted to just try out one of their pastels. Actually guys, meant to say the formula is quite similar to Madame Glam's formula. So if you're used to that formula, you will love that. Nice and thick, nice and pigmented. So pigmented. You can see this here. Baby pink, but it is just so pigmented. Okay, so up next, this is Rosy Fusion, and this is their builder gel in a bottle. As you can see, it looks nice and thick. So I'm going to swatch it for you, but I'm not going to speak too much on it right now because I'm going to go through it in the builder gel tutorial in just a few minutes. But just to let you know, guys, there is a discount code in the description box. So they gave me a 50% off, so half price off discount code. I will leave the link in the description box and you can use it on a minimum of 2 products. So as long as you're getting more than 2 products, you could use that code on their website, and as long as they don't have any automatic promotions, you are free to use that code. So I will leave it there, and like I said, it'll give you 50% off. And I just want to say as well at this point, thank you so much to all the new subscribers and everyone who's been watching these videos and commenting. It means so much to me. I'm so happy to have you all here and I really do appreciate it. So this is the finished result with the top coat on. These are the colours. Let me know which one is your favourite in the comments. And these were my nails before I went in and did this set. So I just wanted to show you a quick sneak peek of those. I removed them off camera because just to save time, I removed them fully and this is what they're looking like. So I'd say 80% to 90% of that gel is gone and the nails are all prepped off camera. So I'm just going to go in here with a base coat, and like I always do, I have prepped my nails and I have dehydrated them with 100% acetone. So I just wipe over with acetone on a lint-free wipe And that is my dehydration and all that stuff. I don't use a dehydrator, I just go in with the acetone. And then I'm going to go in with the base coat. So I'm scrubbing that into the nail plate like I always do. Make sure you scrub in the base coat just to make sure that you're going to have maximum adhesion. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're going to do the builder gel tutorial. So I'm just showing you the back of the bottle there. So it has the ingredients if you want to check the ingredients and read the back of the bottle. So I'm going to go in with the slip layer, and I'm going to do this slip layer and cover the whole nail plate. Don't cure this layer at all, then you just go in with a bigger bead. So this is your building layer, and I'm just pushing that bead up towards the cuticle and towards the side walls, but not flooding either. So what you want to do is you want to kind of push it towards these areas as much as you can, but then use your liner brush to pull the gel as close to these areas without hitting the skin. Basically, if you're starting off with gel, if you flood the cuticles or the side walls and then you cure it and it stays like that, those nails are just going to lift because they are going to lift off the skin as your nail grows, basically. So yeah, this is the best way to do it. You apply your bead and then you can use a little detailer brush to help with your application. First impressions though, honestly, you can see how self-leveling this gel is. I'm just showing you here. It's really, really good. You have time to work with it. If you're a beginner, you're going to need a little bit of time to work with gel. You're not going to want something that's really runny, and this isn't runny at all. Plenty of time to work with this gel. So here I'm going to go in and do the same thing. I'm going to go in with my slip layer. I'm covering the whole nail with that layer. Not going to cure this at all. And then I'm just going to go in with my bigger bead. So the exact same thing again. I'm just going to let you watch this builder application, and I'll be back to you in a few seconds. Okay, so these are the nails fresh out of the lamp, and I don't need to do any finish filing, thankfully. I'm going to go in with that blue glitter, so it's Ocean's Heart, and I'm just showing you an up close of me painting it on because I was just so mesmerised by it. It is so, so pretty. And funnily enough, it kind of shown up a little bit darker on camera. It's actually a little bit lighter, but I will show you at the end an outside shot in the sunlight, and you can see exactly what it looks like with the inside light and then the outside light. Guys, I'm kind of in disbelief as well that this is one coat, and I ended up only doing one coat of this glitter on myself, which I usually always do 2 coats out of pure habit, but I just said no, I'm going to do one coat and see how it goes. So I did one coat of this, and look how pigmented and rich it looks. It's so good. So yeah, basically I'm pushing up that polish as well, as close to the cuticle as I can without flooding, because with dark colours like this as well, it is very hard. If you do flood, it kind of stains the nail. So you'll see me in a few minutes, it kind of did touch a little bit of the skin and I have to clean it up a little bit. So I just got like some acetone and a little brush when I did have to clean it up, and also a little swab too. But all in all, yeah, it was such a nice application, so pigmented and rich. This colour is just going to be one of my favourites going forward, I know well. And yeah, I hope you are enjoying this video so far, guys. If you have any questions about anything I've used or any questions about any of my application, feel free to comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But if you made it this far into the video, you are a star. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this application and then I shall be back for the top coat. So last but not least, we're going to go in with their No Wipe top coat, and that is a lovely, I would say, kind of medium thickness viscosity. It's not too thick, it is just perfect. You don't want too thin and you don't want too thick, and this is kind of somewhere in the middle. So it's perfect, really nice to apply, and it is no wipe, of course. So I just popped that into the lamp to cure then for 60 seconds, and this is how they turned out, guys. So this is inside in my nail room, and this is the colour inside, and then this is the colour out in the sun with no filter at all. This is just how it reflects in the sun. So just to show you, this is how kind of versatile it is. It's very pretty when it catches the light. Thank you so much if you made it this far, guys, and I will see you in the next one.